Hello, my name is Aaron Rose, and I'm a broker with RE/MAX Boone Realty, and I'm located in Columbia, Missouri. Columbia is located in the center of Missouri and, of course, the United States.
Today I'm proud to show you a listing at 2605 Stratford Chase Parkway. This is a 5-bedroom home, 4 full baths, 2-car garage, 1 owner, and it's been well cared for. There's so much to show you, so please step inside. Our open living room is inviting and spacious, complete with a gas fireplace, tall ceilings, and flows perfectly to our eat-in area, complete with wood floors. And now our kitchen, tons of room and cabinets, custom backsplash and woodwork. And this steps out to our fully covered back deck overlooking our private and secluded backyard. Bathroom 1 of 4, bedroom 2, bedroom 3, and now our master bedroom. Tall ceilings, multiple closet options, and our master bathroom complete with dual vanity sinks, jetted tub with custom touches, and a standalone shower. Downstairs we have an enormous family room complete with wet bar, open, perfect for entertaining, and this door steps out to our lower level covered patio and yard. Bathroom 3 also with modern touches, our 4th full bedroom, and now our last bedroom, complete with its own bathroom, making it a perfect guest room or ensuite. 2605 Stratford Chase Parkway has beautiful curb appeal and landscaping, a roomy 2-car garage, custom touches like this boot bench, this convenient outbuilding, and let's take one more look at our heavily wooded and private backyard.
Again, my name is Aaron Rose, and I can be found on the web at goarose.com. Again, that's GOAROSE.com. See you on the net. If you like this home or any other home, realize I'm only a mouse click or a phone call away.